Ready to unlock the secrets of off-market properties and find the owners of those hidden gems on Zillow? First, head over to Zillow and search for the off-market property you are interested in. Take note of the full property address. You'll need this for your search. Then, scroll down to the property history section. Zillow sometimes displays previous sale information, which may include the previous owner's name even if it's not the current owner. It's a starting point. Also, check for any listing agent information, as they might have owner contact details. Next, navigate to the county assessor's website for the county where the property is located. You can usually find this with a quick Google search like county name, county assessor. Most assessor websites allow you to search for property records using the property address. Once you find the record, you should see the owner's name and, sometimes, their mailing address. If the county assessor's website only shows the property address and owner's name, consider using a skip tracing service. These services specialize in finding contact information for individuals, given their name and last known address. Be aware that these services usually come with a fee. Finally, if all else fails, a little old-fashioned detective work might be necessary. You can try sending a handwritten letter to the property address, expressing your interest, or even knocking on the door to inquire about the owner. Remember to be polite and respectful in your approach. Good luck unlocking those off-market deals.